This video is for demonstration purposes only and is for reference only. BT103S Speed Variable Peristaltic Pump Wide Application. Driver Shell Dimensions. Main components at the front of the driver. Main components at the back of the driver. Driver function keys. Refer to the packing list to check that all components are complete and undamaged. BT103S. Product brochure, manual, warranty certificate, calibration certificate, power cable, and accessories. When using the product, ensure that at least 200 millimeters of space is reserved at the back. Pump head installation. Using the Ease 15T pump head and 25 tubing as an example. Align the flat shaft of the pump head with the groove of the driver coupling and push it in. Rotate the pump head to align the screw hole of the pump head with the screw hole of the driver pump head bracket. Insert and tighten the to-fixing screws into the pump head fixing holes. Pull the lever to open the pump head, smoothly place the tubing in and straighten it. Rotate the lever down to lock the upper pressure block, completing the installation. Power on. This pump has default operating parameters preset. Press the start or stop key to begin operation. Press the mode key to switch modes. Press the menu key to enter the menu settings interface. Use the increase and decrease buttons to select parameters. Press the start or stop key to enter the submenu. Use the increase and decrease keys to adjust parameters, then press the menu key to return to the main interface. The BT103S supports various pump heads to meet different scenario requirements. For more compatible pump heads, please contact the lead fluid sales manager.